bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake?
Welcome back to my channel, you guys, and hello to you if you're watching me for the first time. So yeah, on this tutorial video I'll be showing you how I made this sheer mini dress and also 3 fun ways you can wear it. So yeah, this is the fabric I'll be using for this video, so stay tuned, stay interested. Let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be taking the length of the dress, that is how long I want the dress to be. And then since the dress is going to be sitting on my round bust, I will be taking away 3 inches from the measurements. So placing my measuring tape on the fabric, I'll be calculating from 3 inches on the tape to the length I want it to be.
Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel?
After taking the length of my shirt dress, the next thing for me to be doing is to take my folding. Yeah, so the folding is going to be 10 inches plus 4 inches sewing allowance. I'll be adding 4 inches sewing allowance to this, so that is 14. My folding is 14, so I'll be checking down 14. I always like to do this in the middle so I could get a straight line when I want to rule. So yeah, it is very easy. This is just the front piece. We are done with the front piece. We're going to be cutting out the back piece of this dress. Yeah, so it's very easy. It's just like cutting out a box or square or rectangle, whatever. So yeah, if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Come join the family, you guys. Why don't you want to join? What's holding you back? Also, you can give this video a thumbs up. Go watch my previous videos and then let me know what you think on the comment section below. I would like to get comments from you guys. I would like to read comments. So I went ahead to place the front piece on the freshly folded fabric. That's for our back piece. I placed it and then I traced it out. It's going to be the same thing. We're not adding any measurement to the back piece. We're just going to be placing the front piece on this freshly folded fabric and then tracing it out exactly. So this is the thread I'll be using for my dress. This is an elastic thread that goes in the bobbin. Yeah, so it's sold for just 15 naira if you're in Nigeria. Yeah, so before share, I will be taking my fabric to the machine to hem the bottom and the top of the dress to be both the front piece and the back piece. I'll be hemming them both. After hemming the top and the bottom of this fabric, I'll be placing my tape on the fabric to calculate the distance between each line I'll be sewing my elastic thread on. So I want them to be 1 inch apart, so that is what I'll be doing right now. I'll be making them 1 inch apart. I decided to show you guys how I roll my elastic thread into my bobbin. I prefer to do it manually. This is how I roll it, like this, gradually into the bobbin. And once I am done doing that, once I'm done rolling the required amount of thread my bobbin could take, I'll be putting this into the bobbin case like this. Please, you guys, watch very carefully so you see.
Does the beat take you over? You just can't.
After matching line after line after line after line, so this is the result you get after doing that. Yeah, you guys, I'm so sorry I did not show you a video of how I did mine, but I have a previous video you can go watch. DIY I did on the shirts, a shirt to top. I did a shirt top. Yeah, so go watch the video to know how to match after line to get the result you want. So yeah, I'm done doing this on the dress, on this fabric. So I'll be closing it up. I'll be closing it up by 1/2 inch, both on the front and the back piece. I'll be placing them together and then closing it up by 1/2 inch. For the next part of this video, I'll be using organza. Yeah, so this organza, I bought it for 250 for a yard. So yeah, I'll be taking the length for my what should I call this? I don't know. I'll be taking the length, and after taking the length, the next thing for us to do now is to chalk down the points, like the upper bust point, the shoulder, the bust points. We'll be doing that. Time to take points, you guys. So the first point is the shoulder point. You don't need to take that. That's the first point on the fabric. So the next point that comes after that is your upper bust point and then our bust point. So once I am done taking those points, I'll be connecting lines together because now I have to chalk down the round measurement on those points. So after taking points, next thing for me to do now is to chalk down 7.5 inches on the shoulder point. How did I get 7.5? Okay, so my shoulder measurement is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So I'll be checking down 7.5 on the shoulder point, and then going down to my upper bust point too, I'll be putting that same number, 7.5. That is how you get your armhole, guys. So once I'm done doing that, I'll be connecting those lines together with my ruler, so I could now make a curve on the armhole. That's pretty much it, you guys. So I'll be placing this front piece now on a freshly folded organza and then cutting out the back piece. I'm not adding any measurement on the back piece. I'm just going to trace out this front piece exactly the way it is, and then I'll take both of them to the machine to join by 1/2 inch. For the sleeves, so what I'll be doing right now is I'll be placing my tape on the organza dress, and then I'll be calculating what I have on the armhole, and I got 9 inches, so I'll be keeping that aside. I went ahead to cut out the sleeve length already. I made the length for my sleeve 25 because that's how long I wanted to. Now working on the sleeves, from the edge I'll be going in by 3 inches, and then from the top of the fabric of the organza I'll be going down by 5 inches. And once I'm done doing that, I'll be connecting both lines together with my free hand and cutting out the unwanted parts. So once that is done, I'll be placing my tape now on these sleeves to calculate out the 9 inches we need to close up the armhole on the organza dress. So once I am done getting my 9 inches, I'll be taking these sleeves to my machine to close it up by 1/2 inch. Oh sorry, I'll be doing 9.5 inches so I can close it up by the 1/2 inch. So yeah, after taking the sleeves to my machine to sew, this is the result you get. Yeah, I'm going to be flipping this inside out so you can see the result clearly. So I'm going to be joining, this is how I'm going to be joining the sleeves to the armhole on the on the organza dress. This is how I'm going to be pinning it down and then taking it to my machine to join. Last part of this tutorial is going to be quick and easy, you guys. So this is a fabric I'll be using. This is crepe. I'm folding it into 4, and then I'll be making provision for the neck opening for the sleeve or armhole, whichever you want to call it. So if you're watching this page for the first time, why not go ahead and just click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, become a part of my family, my wonderful family. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Working on the neck now, for the width I'll be making it 4 inches, and for the depth I'll be making it 3 inches, and then with my free hand I'll connect points together with a curve. I will be opening this up to enable me make the neck for the front a bit lower than the back, so please watch. It's time for the sleeves opening or the armhole, whichever you want to call it. Yeah, so I'll be chalking down 9 inches, placing my tape on the fabric. I'll be chalking down 9 inches. That is how wide I want the armhole to be. I want it to be 9 inches wide. So after doing that, from the other edge I'll be chalking down my round busts, and then I'll be adding 2 to 3 inches sewing allowance to it, so it could be a bit free on me where I put it onto. the next part of this video, I'll be advising you guys to watch to see how I connect my round bust to the sleeves, and then how I cut the slant on the sleeves, you guys. So please watch. This video was brief and easy enough for you to grab. Please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye.